I've been in this industry for over 20 years, and I don't think there's been a more exciting time. The innovation, the fact that we're actually paving the way for the future, for future generations, I honestly feel blessed to be a part of this.
Renewable diesel is diesel fuel. It looks like diesel because it is diesel. It's produced from renewable components like plants or natural byproduct waste from things like animal fats and tallows. We recently announced that we're intending to build a world-class renewable diesel facility that when it starts up in 2024 will produce over 1 billion liters of renewable diesel. This is a step forward on the path to net zero by 2050.
Meeting the energy needs in a way that's sustainable for the future requires innovation, creativity, a little bit of courage to take some of the risks that we're taking. It's very important for me to be able to look my children in the eyes and say that I'm doing my part.